How do you monitor HTTP GET requests with TCPdump? With this command. To capture packets, you need root privilege. We are using TCPdump, and we are capturing all network interfaces. We are going to print packets in ASCII so you can see the HTTP requests and headers. We are filtering only TCP traffic on port 80, which is HTTP. So basically, we are listening for all HTTP traffic on port 80 and printing the content so we can see the GET requests. Let's hit enter. We type in our password. Using the second terminal, we are going to generate HTTP requests. Hit enter. Now we can analyze the output. Here is the HTTP GET request outgoing. This is the actual HTTP GET request. And here is the target website. Here is the client making the request. Here we can see the incoming response. We can see that the server responded successfully. Here is the metadata of the page. What you can find, only HTTP traffic appears here. Non-HTTP traffic, example DNS, ICMP, is ignored because in our command we have only TCP port 80. Here you can see TCP flag, push an acknowledgement, meaning this packet contains actual data. Why would we use this command during troubleshooting? This would help you detect unusual web requests or potential attacks. You can see exactly what your client is sending to a server. If you want to understand the HTTP headers and request response flow, that's when you mostly need this command. I hope this has been helpful. Can I ask you to please subscribe to my channel, to like and to share? Thank you.